All right, let's do an unboxing video. I recently signed up for an app called Whatnot, and this is the first couple things I ordered off of there. And it's packaged up pretty good. Let's get this thing opened up here. Yeah, so it's a live auction website, and they've recently added a coins category. So if you're interested in getting coins, there's a bunch of really good sellers on there. I was able to pick up this 1999 complete silver proof set. These are actually quite rare. I got a very nice price on it. Looks like we got a bonus Venezuela $2 bill. That's really pretty. Look at this. Fantastic case. It's a year to remember, 1944. 90% silver. Really, really nice set. I like this case a lot. That's really cool. And here's all my shipping information. So that's what I got from him. I'll be posting a couple of other unboxing videos of stuff I get on Whatnot. If you would like to sign up for Whatnot, visit coinringmaker.com and tap the button that says Whatnot $15 credit. That is the best sign-up link you're going to find for Whatnot. Like I said, it's a live auction app. You can get coins on there. I'm also auctioning off coin rings on there, so if you want to go check me out, search CoinRingMaker, give me a follow. And like I said, go to coinringmaker.com, tap the button that says Whatnot $15 credit, sign up today. $15 credit on there should get you some pretty nice stuff. So go check it out. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and y'all have a great day.